Kung 7-seater SUV na premium ang hanap ninyo, then this car might be for you. Wait till the end kasi meron tayong verdict if this is a perfect fit for you or it's something that you really need to think about because it's a pricey gamble. Tingnan natin. Yes, I'm a mom and yes, I drive. Today, we're going to talk about this 7-seater SUV that is loaded with safety features. And this can literally fit your whole family. Basta lang 7 lang kayo sa family ha. Kasi 7-seater nga siya. So this is our Subaru Evoltis 2025. Now, let's look at the front of this car. So, of course, here you can see the beautiful emblem of Subaru. Siyempre, meron tayong wide and also horizontal na front grills. Two-tone na rin siya. Makikita ninyo na meron tayo ditong black na front grills na naka-contrast dito sa ating colorway ng kotse, which is the crystal white. And you know what's really iconic about this one is meron siyang auto-leveling headlamps na mukha siyang crab over here. See, parang Mr. Krabs lang ang peg nito. I think this overall look really gives you that sophisticated and angas look that we are looking for. Now let's look at the heart of this car. This one has a 2.4-liter turbocharged boxer engine. So this one is very powerful. Kapag nilagay mo siya sa off-road, it's so stable, it's so powerful, it's so comfortable. Kahit medyo rocky pa yung mga terrains, medyo muddy yung terrains. In fact, pwede rin siya kung medyo nagsusnow. Pero wala namang snow dito, but why not? So very powerful talaga. So mamaya, we'll take a look, drive it around just to test it out with the different driving modes. Now, let's look at the side of this car. So you can see here na meron tayong 20-inch alloy wheels. Very beautiful ng kanyang mags. It looks very premium, quite large, but you know what? That adds to the premiumness of it. And also parang very stable and very comfortable talaga yung ride with these wheels. Of course, you have the 220mm ground clearance. So medyo mataas siya. Ibig sabihin, kayang-kaya niya yung mga lubak, kayang-kaya yung mga terrains yan. Kung gusto nyong mag-off-road, perfect siya. And this one also has what you call the power folding door mirror. So, nasa sa'yo yung choice kung gusto mo siyang i-fold or not. Fold or not. Fold or not. Okay, so here is the back of the car. This one, of course, yung ating emblem. You have the wiper over here. You have your tail lights na mukha ulit siyang crab claws, like that. You also have, of course, yung Evoltis na nakalagay dito. And a power tailgate. Oh, beside it is actually a camera. So it's good for your safety whenever you're parking. Nahanap ko yung tailgate. Ayan na. Okay, so automatic siya. You can see here that there is such a space. Not that big, but it's quite enough, I think. Meron tayo ditong compartment that you can put some stuff, pwedeng sapatos or some tools that you want. And this one, na nakatayo yung ating third row seats, pwede mong lagyan siya ng car seat here. And then meron din tayong ISOFIX ready seats dun sa ating captain seat. So you can have 3 na car seats, especially if you have 3 kids in the family. I think it's time for another YAStacks! Okay, first off, meron tayong small luggage number 1. Sige, nag-hesitate si Kuya. Small luggage, pwede mong idapa ng ganyan. Tapos, another small luggage over here. So, you still have some space. I think kung meron kang foldable stroller, pwedeng-pwede pa rin. So, pasok din natin yung ating foldable stroller, Kuya. So, there you have your stroller. Perfect! Okay. But what if you're going to pull this down? Pakita natin. So, you can push this back. Push back natin yan. And then, you can put all of the laundry here. Kasi I still need to do my errands. So, very big space actually kapag nakababa rin yung ating third row seats. There you go. And voila! Welcome to the inside of the car here. I'm seating. I'm sitting on the captain's seat. Then, beside me actually is a Senorita Banana. Senorita?
Hey, everybody. Hey.
Right. We're trying to be like VIPs right now because this is such a premium car. In fact, I could see right away that there are a lot of speakers that are branded Harman and Kardon. It's like so expensive, don't you think?
Right. Like, I love everything.
But basically, you can put 19 coffee cups in the 19 cup holders. Even over here, you have some cup holders. What else can you see as premium features of this car?
An armrest here. We can't put it back. We'll just have to adjust. Oh no, it adjusts with the seat. How do you...
So you can adjust your seats properly so that you have some level of comfort like that.
Right.
Right?
Right.
And also, we have some... Naiirita na ako sa sarili ko.
Ako din po, kahit lang nasasabi ko eh.
You can also see a lot of USB ports over here.
Exactly.
So you can charge.
So-
Oh, there's actually a plug over here.
What's this for?
Oh, wait,
Figure
I
it
think
out.
it's for the...
This.
Oh, wait, nawawala yung... It's for the seats. I think you can, like, make it a little bit warmer. Dandy.
Neat.
Oh, and also, I could really see that they have a really powerful AC.
Right.
Over here, over there.
Can you-
Also, yeah, very powerful. And this beautiful sunroof. Okay, let's try it out.
Let's see.
Can you feel the
Wow.
wind in your hair?
It works.
Let's magically poof you to the back. Come on, let's do a snap, dear.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Okay. Tsaka wala na tayong accent. Okay dun? Okay na, kasi nasa likod na tayo eh.
Salita.
Wala na tayo sa VIP seats. Okay. This one is actually for 3 seats. This one is a 3 seating capacity for the
Right.
back.
Yes.
How's your comfort level?
May very cute legroom pa. Siguro yung ganito kasi parang kaya for like an hour drive. But
Nice.
for others, like Ivana Banana, it might be too tight.
Since I'm pregnant, it is quite uncomfortable, honestly, at the back, just because the floor is quite elevated at the back. So medyo naiipit yung tiyan ko. So I really need to stretch my legs like that.
Actually, between us, kaya pa. Someone
Yeah.
like a senorita as well.
Or a banana cute.
Yes, or
Little
a banana
baby.
cute.
You can see na ang dami na din ports here at the back.
Yes.
2 ports here on
Okay.
the side. Speakers over here. There's a hook here.
To secure your things. So on my end, if you have 3, I only have 2 cup holders here.
Alright. Alright.
Alright. Yung mga host daw sa live events. Alright.
Alright.
Yes, that's
Yes.
it. Right.
Hi mga kayid! Oh my God! I'm back! Si Miss Yas ay medyo manganganak na. I am here as her loving assistant and in replacement of our mother Banana. I will do the driving today as her qualified and certified banana assistant. But syempre mag-drive tayo guys and medyo mahirap gumalaw. Hello, Miss CM! Mag-hi ka na po sa ating mga viewers. Ang tagan mga kayid. So, mga kayid stands for YASight Drive. YID.
Okay, hello mga kayid!
Let's do the driving! Alright! Sabi nga ng mga host, alright!
Alright!
Sa inyo, at the top of your head, ano yung top 3 features na you like really the most here with the Subaru Evoltis?
First, it's a true 7-seater SUV. It's very spacious. It has enough room for everyone, no? So you can bring in your friends. your mga lolo, lola, ganyan. Plus even your pets, diba? And still have enough room for luggage, strollers. And then second, of course, the Subaru symmetrical all-wheel drive. So it gives you that certain peace of mind, especially when driving in the rain or on rougher roads, diba? So when you drive it, it feels very, very planted and solid. And of course, yung EyeSight Driver Assist technology is like having a second pair of eyes. It automatically alerts you, no, if there's a pedestrian or a car in front of you suddenly stops, no? So it can even apply brakes for you when needed. It's really a nice feature for me.
So speaking of features, no, definitely safety and features. Isa yan sa mga lagi natin tinitignan as car buyers. Ano pa ba yung other colors na available?
The Evoltis comes in timeless shades. We have crystal white pearl, we have ice silver metallic, crimson red pearl, crystal black silica, and cosmic blue pearl.
Crystal white, ito yung drive natin right now.
Yes, this one.
Very, maganda nga yung pagka-white.
Very
niya.
alta.
Yeah! Well, as a mom, ano naman usually yung hinahanap nyo when buying a car?
My priorities are simple, no? So safety, space, and comfort. I want a car that keeps my family safe. I want a car that has enough rooms for everyone and everything that I need in my life, diba? And of course, I want a car na easy to drive on the road, city driving ba yan, or long road trip, diba? And then, of course, syempre, after sales reliability. I want a brand that I can trust for the long term and hindi ako bibigyan ng sakit ng ulo. Our friend, no, si Yas, recently welcomed her new baby, diba? So, welcome, baby! It actually reminded me, no, how fast things change, especially when our families are growing, diba? And this is where the Subaru Evoltis comes as a perfect companion, diba? Especially during those early precious moments.
When your family is growing, your needs also change. Hala, nasa na tayo? So, Miss Carl, ano sa tingin niyo yung mga personalities or lifestyle ng mga usual buyers ng Subaru Evoltis?
Mga families who's upgrading from compact SUV and sedan, often professionals, entrepreneurs, upper middle class, who value comfort, safety, and exclusivity. Our Evoltis buyers are typically discerning. They know what they want, and they want something that's built to last for their family's needs. It's perfect for people like Sias, no, and other new parents who want safe, premium, and practical to drive.
Speaking of the premiumness of the car, no, ano naman kaya ang ating price for this car?
So officially, 3,780,000, but right now we have a limited time offer of 3,210,000. And wait, there's more, no? It comes with 3 years free fuel and 3 years free PMS. So that's around 400,000 worth of running costs covered already. So for 3 years, you don't have to worry about gas or maintenance because we got you covered.
Nice. Laki, 3 years, ang tagal din nun, ah.
Yeah, so if you guys want to test drive the car, you can actually visit us sa Subaru Green Hills, C5, Manila Bay, and Alabang. We also have our dealers in North Luzon, in Pampanga. We also have a dealer in South Luzon, Cavite. Visayas and Mindanao, we are present in Cebu, CDO, Davao, Iloilo, and Bacolod. So, feel free to drop by the showroom to test drive the car. If hindi ka naman makakapunta sa showroom, we can actually bring the car to you through our at-home test drive. So how convenient is that?
Correct, di ba? Malay nyo, ito na ang inyong next family car. Diba? Thank you so much, Miss Carl,
Thank
for
you so
this
much,
one.
mga kayid!
Yay!
And yes, we miss you so much!
Yes!
We can't wait to see the baby!
Yes! Meron na siyang car seat sa likod.
Of
Yes,
course!
yes.
Ayan, pwedeng-pwede na yung iuwi.
So is it a premium family car or a pricey gamble? Ito talagang verdict ko. This is actually a perfect SUV if you have a family of 7, and definitely all the safety features, the stability, the comfort, the build is just really powerful. Something that you can bring out of town and enjoy with your family. But it is true that it's quite pricey, it's in the premium side of things, so you really need to consider your lifestyle if it's really a fit for you. So clearly, it's a yes talaga for me. So if you have some thoughts and comments about this car, feel free na i-type yan below so that we can also read it. This has been Yas. I'm a mom, and Yes, I Drive.